Bonjour, bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Anana. Et voici Anana qui dit bonjour. Alors aujourd'hui, Anana, nous allons apprendre comment dire et écrire la couleur rose. Oui. So we're learning how to say and write the color pink. So let's get started. On y va. Alors voici. So in pink in French is rose. Can you repeat after me? Rose. Bravo. And when you are describing something that is feminine, the spelling of the color rose will not change. So it's still R-O-S-E. So this object is feminine because we have la in front of it. That's how we know. So la fleur est rose. So no change. When we have a masculine object, like this keychain, this begins with le. So we know that it's a masculine word. Le porte-clés est rose, and there is no change to the spelling of rose. R-O-S-E. Alors, le porte-clés est rose. Not so hard, no? Not so difficult? Ça va, Anana? Oui, ça va. Au revoir, mes amis. À la prochaine.